Manual drafting. The objectives for today: you will learn how to use an architect triangle scale, learn the difference between an architect versus an engineering scale, and learn what is the purpose of scaling. The architect scale is a ruler that helps measure architectural drawing, such as the floor plan above. How to read a triangle scale. We will identify the inches using the 1 and the 1 inch scale. So your starting point is 0. The arrows in green show the area where the inches will be red. So you start with 0 and you move on. You don't see 1 and 2, but you see 3. Move on to 4, 5, 6. You don't see 7 and 8, but 9 is there. You don't see 10, 11, but that is 12 inches. And the 1/4 is in the bottom. And you would start from 0. And you don't see any numbers, but there should be 12 lines. Now, how do we identify the feet? Again, we will use the 1/4 and the 1 inch scale. The starting point is 0, and the area within the green arrows represent the feet. So you are reading the numbers in the bottom from right to left. So you start 0, you don't see 1, but 2 is there. You don't see 3, but 4 is there. Keep going. 5, 6, you don't see 7, but 8 is there. If you were using the 1/8 scale on the opposite side, which is not here, you would read from left to right. And the only numbers you see, for example, is 80. This will represent 81, 82, 83, 84, all the way through 92. So the 1 inch is backwards, but if we would rotate it, we would be able to read a 0. The 20 represents half, and the 1. So from 0 to 1 represents a foot. Now, what is an engineering scale? It's a ruler that helps measure engineering drawings, as the pictures above, such as nuts or screws. So, the engineering scale is a little different. You don't have fractions, you use decimals. So again, you read from the 20th, from right to left. The numbers are in the bottom, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're using the 40th scale, you're using the numbers on the top, 0, 2, 4, all the way through 48. Again, you're using whole numbers and decimals. So what is the purpose of scaling? Scaling is a simple tool used to measure a small ratio drawing to the real-world structural model, such as a blueprint versus a real house. There's some practice assignments that you can use so you can get familiar in a sheet of paper. Using the 1/8 inch scale, you can draw a line that is 10 feet, 2 inches. You can draw a square that is 20 feet by 20 feet. And you can draw a circle with a 30 feet diameter. And using now, on another sheet of paper, you can use the 1/4 scale. You would do the same instructions. Draw the line, the square, and the diameter. That is 30 feet. I'm going to pause the video, and I want you to practice scaling. Now, if you unpause the video, I want you to see what's the difference between the 1/8 to a 1/4 scale. So the 1/8, if you drew it, you should be able to see that the 1/4 scale is bigger, right? It has the same measurement, yet it has different sizes. So you can continue practicing, and if you like the video, subscribe and like. There's also a quick clip if you want to watch it for further assistance.